Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax of Houston. Today I'm on board the 2024 32 Aviara. Back here on the back, we're powered by V10 350 horse Mercuries. And one of the reasons I'm standing here is I want to show you that you can still pass by easily, even with these big V10s tilted all the way up. So we've got a huge platform back here. This stadium seating is one of the greatest features on the Aviara, because you can control where you put the backrest, and you've got this row of seats here that you can raise and lower. Wet bar with a sink. Got separate wine storage. Lots of refrigeration. Lots of ice chest. By having the side entry over here, we've got a huge head compartment on here. Super nice double helm, Simrad electronics. 3 screens on here for all your digital controls. Joystick drive. Beautiful bow seating. Notice all the depth you have in the bow up there. Great boat for family. All different sizes of kiddos. Nice and safe. Great riding boat. Come check this boat out. Many more of our other listings here at MarineMax. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.